Today, I am in the heart of Wellington to show you this 2-bedroom, semi-detached family home, benefiting from its own garage and parking, a private rear garden, and it's also just been renovated to a high standard, meaning it's ready for tenants to move in straight away. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you like the look of this property and you would like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord and you have a property of your own that you're looking for rental valuation on, please do get in touch.